Welcome back. Now, Zoom does have a third-party app marketplace that will allow you to connect platforms to Zoom in order to do certain tasks. And if you go to the app marketplace and you type in YouTube and click search, you'll see that there's an application called YouTube for Zoom. And what you'll need to do then is you'll need to sign in to install this application. You'll then need to enable the application and then click install. You'll then need to authorize the app for your account. You'll then need to authorize the app for your YouTube account. You'll then click allow. The application will then be linked to your YouTube account. You'll then be able to configure Splain to work with your Zoom account. And then once you conduct your webinar, you'll then click end meeting. You'll then end your meeting. Your webinar will then start processing inside of Zoom. Now, once the webinar has completed its processing, you'll see it in your YouTube channel. And because we set up the webinar to be automatically deleted, you'll no longer see it in your cloud recordings, you'll see it in your trash. Now, in order to find the app or uninstall it, you're going to need to go to the app marketplace. And you should be signed into the marketplace. What you'll want to do is to click manage. You'll see your installed applications. And you'll see this application installed. If for some reason you want to uninstall it, you'll just click this link. Now, it's a good idea to get more information about the application before you install it to your Google account, as well as before you install it to your Zoom account. And you can find out more about the application from splain.io. You'll note that this is a 30-day free trial that you'll be using in order to use Splain with your Zoom and your YouTube account. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.